Easter, they say, is more important than Christmas. Kasi po, kung walang Easter, pinanganak lang si Jesus, namatay siya. That's it. He was a good man, exemplary person. But if Jesus did not rise from the dead, so wala. So ito po ang crowning point ng ating buhay. Starts with Christmas and ends with Easter. Mga kapatid, you know, one of the most difficult counseling I had, ito pong isang ina who lost not only one son, two sons. Ang dalawang anak niyang lalaki at 6 na araw lang ang palugit nila. March 2021 because of COVID. What more can you tell? I mean, but you know, doon ako na cut sa kanya. Sabi niya, Father, I know, I believe I will meet and embrace my two sons again. Because of the resurrection. Because of Easter. I also would like to embrace my mama and my papa again. I mean, kung wala po yung ganung pananaw, napakalungkot po talaga ang buhay. Thank you, God, for giving us the legroom. Kala natin, hanggang dito na lang tayo. And the Lord is saying, hey, teka muna. There's wide open. There's a life beyond this life. Mga kapatid, in the meantime, nandito pa tayo. Let's all try our best to do our mission, share our faith, share our blessings, and reach our final destination. Where there are no more tears, no more pain, no more sadness, no more sorrow, no more goodbyes. Yeah. Sabi nga nila, in heaven, so peaceful. Wala doon yung mga matatapang, masusungit, mga mayayabang, mga chismosa. Wala sila doon. Mga nananakit, mga base. And so full of joy. No eye has seen, no ear has heard, no mind has imagined the beauty that awaits those who love God. Sisters and brothers, see you in heaven. Promise. Yaksok ko? Oh yeah. But not so soon. Not so soon. Mayroon pa tayong mission. God bless you. Mama Mary loves you. Don't forget, we are an Easter people. Not a Good Friday. We are an Easter